Just remove your headphones so you can't hear us. Anyway, we'll be going to Discord, so you won't be able to hear us.
Okay.
Ajay, Sagar bhai,
We have no clue उधर क्या चल रहा है. Start.
let's go.
I started. I played.
Sagar, this is very interesting, no?
Okay.
हाँ, what is one of the ID?
हाँ, ABHIKE अभी खेलो.
अरे face to face.
अच्छा, अभी खेलो.
ABHIKHELO.
Okay. Oh, D4 D5 खेलने के बाद G4 वो pawn मार सकते थे. अभी could have taken the pawn on G4. He
Instead
played
he
knight
develops.
C6.
खेल रही हूँ मैं. Your move ना.
Crazy how they're both playing from one place.
मतलब are they friends of each other? Are they siblings? कैसा है?
They are very. I think they're very good friends. Am I right, chat?
So he takes the pawn on B4. C3. Oh, अभी knight मर रहा है.
Play something.
What to do
वो
with the
तो
knight?
वो लोग ये भी कर रहे हैं. You know they are trash talking. तो
Yeah, instigating each other to make a blunder. Knight goes back.
भाग गया. Oh.
friends. Knight A6.
That's so funny.
Oh, knight to E5 has been played by Gautami. And now the knight can take the pawn on G4 because if the white knight takes it back, then the bishop is there. Wow, good move by Abhyudaya.
I'm literally winning.
Yeah, Abhyuday is actually 800 here, but he doesn't take it.
You've killed two of my things.
Ooh. And now he can take the knight.
Oh, acha, Gautami is right. Gautami didn't take that knight.
Yeah. You know, Samay, like they both were very busy, okay, doing something, and they were completely into it. But now when you see them, look at them playing chess, तो सब कुछ भूल गए वो कि क्या काम है, क्या कर रहे हैं. Completely engrossed in it. This is what chess does often. It takes you, transports you into a world where there are no distractions. It improves your focus. Oh, by the way, he's blundered a knight. उसने knight वहां पे रख दिया.
सागर भाई अभी आप फोकस के बारे में बात कर रहे हो. यहाँ पे ब्लंडर हो चुका है
I
knight
don't
भाई.
know what I'm doing. Okay, I don't know how to play chess.
But she played a
What
good
is that?
move, and she's saying, I don't know. Queen
Now
D6.
Gautami is totally up.
Better, yeah.
Father and daughter चल रहा है chat में यार.
घटिया move किया.
Gautami is saying घटिया move खेला है, but Gautami is actually.
Oh,
What?
Blunder.
What? She doesn't take it. Oh my god.
Why are you laughing?
वो बता नहीं रहा है कि क्वीन मर रहा था करके.
Queen मर रही थी bro.
Oh.
तो बेसिकली इस मैच की जो शुरुआत हुई है उससे समझ आ रहा है कि ये मैच में कुछ भी हो सकता है ब्रो.
हाँ, कुछ भी. एंड में कुछ भी हो सकता है. So we cannot say who will win this.
So it's a crazy match.
Right now, Abhyudaya is clearly winning because he has an extra piece. Oh, and one more piece. One more piece bites the dust. Queen takes C3.
I think he won't take it.
Really?
I think he'll just develop another piece.
I think he'll take it.
I don't think he'll take it.
चलो देखते. Come on, Abhyudaya. Come on.
नहीं लिया bro.
नहीं लिया. अरे G5.
And now I think, you know, the top guessers are having such a difficult time guessing their moves. There's only 1 out of 1 जिसने guess किया. एक ही move guess कर पाया आयुष पाटिल. वो भी I think the first move.
कुछ भी खेल.
Oh, father daughter inside joke. Okay. Mutual blindness award for sure.
What am I doing? Literally, what am I doing? Play something. Play fast.
Okay. Now it's on.
Is it my chance?
Yes, he wants to long castle, I think.
Sugar 5. Sometimes, Samay, I think about it like it must be so tough, right? If you don't play chess regularly, to see so many pieces, so many diagonals, so many moves. कैसे 10 मिनट में कैसे सब सीखे?
But the best part is कि even though these guys are very big, you know, on YouTube and everything, but they still so humble that they come on stream and they play chess, they have a fun time, and then they do their thing.
Absolutely.
So it's very nice to have a community like this. अब क्या करेंगे लेकिन?
अब क्वीन
पे
G3
बड़े
भी
chess
चेक दे
analyst
सकते हैं,
बचे
वो
हैं।
नाइट को भी मार सकते हैं, क्वीन टेक्स C3.
देखो इसके ये तो म्यूचुअल ब्लाइंडनेस, बिग ब्लाइंड अवॉर्ड था अभी तक, एंड नाउ ही टेक्स इट. ओके, किंग हैज टू मूव.
And now king F1, because if you block with the
मेरा
queen,
chance
then the
है।
rook is hanging.
It's not letting me play this.
क्रॉस चेक है,
मैं
Hmm.
करूँ क्या?
किंग हटाना.
वो king है कि
अब
queen है?
अभ्युदय कैसे हेल्प कर रहा है
King
उसको
कौन
इससे?
सा queen?
But this is a very valid question for many people who just beginning chess. कि which one is the king and which one is the queen?
Yeah.
So always remember, king has a cross on the head and queen has a crown.
So basically, we can say Sagar bhai that COB is for all kinds of players, like every rating player. कि हर rating जैसे रियल लाइफ में रहते हैं, कुछ लोग एकदम बिगिनर्स रहते हैं, कुछ लोग एकदम स्ट्रॉन्ग रहते हैं, तो सबके लिए कुछ ना कुछ यहाँ पे रिलेटेबिलिटी फैक्टर है. मतलब आई एम श्योर लाइक माय मॉम डजंट नो टू प्ले चेस बट शी इज वाचिंग द स्ट्रीम, सो शी इज आल्सो
Yeah.
गोइंग लाइक हाँ मैं भी ऐसे खेलती कुछ तो.
हाँ, correct. Yeah, it's true, and I think that's what people can see कि हाँ chess ये लोग ऐसा खेल रहे हैं. Maybe after a few months when Abhyuday or Gautami come again, they might have improved.
Yeah,
Just
like
like how Sapan did, yeah. Oh, by the way, queen was blundered. Last move by Gautami. She played queen takes C2, and then now Abhyudaya is completely winning.
But again, let me tell you, Sagar bhai, it's not easy to checkmate.
Hmm.
So time is very important.
Yeah, and Gautami has 2 and almost 1.5 minutes extra on the clock.
And I
Okay,
think
bishop
that
H6
is
is
most
nice too.
important.
Yeah, because to combine everything, like कौन से रुक को कहाँ से लाए, queen को कैसे लाए, bishop को कहाँ से लाए, all that is very difficult. So let's see how Abhyudaya continues. He's now down to 5 minutes.
कुछ करो.
मैं क्या करूं?
Guys, if you can relate to this, how they are playing, then please let us know in the chat. That would be, the one question which keeps on coming is मैं क्या करूं? Like what should I do? Any castled? Very interesting.
Okay.
Oh, rook A3.
Idea? What is the idea? Okay, sorry.
Wasting
There's no
time
idea.
decorating the chessboard right now.
No, just if you can play moves without dropping something, it would be very nice.
I mean, like, look, Abhi is now winning and he knows he's winning, right?
Hmm.
So he's trying to
Your move.
find good moves, which is why he's taking some more time. Gautami, on the other hand, is like, let's just play.
Correct. She's very quick. I think maybe it also shows, like after the game we can ask that when you guys are making content, are you like Gautami is the one who takes like, okay, let's do this,
Yeah, let's
quickly.
blunder a rook, let's blunder a bishop, and let's stay up on time.
And Abhyuday will be like, नहीं थोड़ा सोच के करते हैं type.
Bro, look at this, look at the rook, how it's attacking both the pieces.
क्या?
They're having such a fun time playing chess, man. This is so nice to watch.
Yeah, it's very nice. Very nice.
अच्छा game.
Okay, now she has to play fast. She has to play fast. Well, we had a cute moment there, guys.
If you win, you're gonna have to play tomorrow.
Oh, nice.
You
See,
have
this is
seen
how
properly.
chess bug bites you. हाँ? एक गेम हारो, फिर वो बोला नहीं अब तुझे हराऊंगी मैं. Then they start practicing more.
Oh, rook d8.
Yeah, good move. Good move.
Rook d1. फटाफट खेल रही है Gautami.
Maybe now knight to c3, attacking the rook and also the pawn on e2 is a good idea.
But again, checkmate. Checkmate करना is the main
हाँ,
issue.
4.5 मिनट ही बचे. Oh, and he's blundered a rook क्योंकि बिशप से वो रुक मर रहा है. Bishop takes d5. Can she see it?
Oh,
What I'm doing in life.
oh, she sees it.
Oh, very nice, Gautami. Well done. Good move.
Is this a comeback?
But now knight c3 forks the rook and the bishop.
Difficult to find. Knight c3 is difficult
Yeah.
to find. Maybe rook d8.
No, if Abhyudaya just takes the pawn on d4 and blunders his queen, then we never know what might happen. This game reminds me a bit of Abhish versus Kani's game,
क्या
where
तुम्हें
one
check
side was
नहीं
totally winning and then it Completely changed.
Okay. I just hope she doesn't exchange everything. Okay,
E6.
beauty.
Take that.
I didn't expect that.
Yeah, she's given up her bishop, but
But
c6.
see, look at it this way, Sagar bhai. The lesser pieces you have,
Kill this one also.
the lesser things you have to think कि अब इसको चलाऊं.
This is what Abhish has taught us.
Yeah, this is Abhish's
Kill that
actual
one
learning
also.
for low rated players.
बाजू में
ये सब दे दो, फिर एक ही तो पीस है, उसको तो तुम पता है ये 6 ही जगह है जहाँ पे जा सकता है वो, इतना सोचना नहीं पड़ेगा फिर.
Correct. The rook takes d5. How do we continue now? Like, the thing is, for all the people who do not understand what to do, you have to usually figure out a point in your opponent's camp. जो अटैक करना है,
रुक
and
भी दे
then
दो.
क्या किया?
देखिए
Oh,
वो
knight c3. This is a good move by Abhyuday.
Oh, look at
Oh,
it.
check.
Gives up the rook. Oh my god, I would die to watch a match between GM Abhish Mathew and Gautami.
If I win, this will be very sharamnak for you.
Trash talking happening.
Abhyuday is like, नहीं ये नहीं तू
Oh, he
जीत
gives up
सकती.
the rook.
Oh,
He doesn't take
but
it.
she wants to give a check.
Your ass. The worst strategy I have ever played.
Check.
Rook d6 check is coming now.
Ah, she'll play it.
H5 check. She's
Oh,
going,
h5.
is she going all in? क्या check दिया था लेकिन वो rook d8 bro? क्या ही check था वो?
That was a bluff.
Rook d rook d8 check bro.
Oh, knight d5 मार दो. Oh, rook. That rook is a mad rook. ऐसे ही सबको जाके डरा रहा है.
Rook h5 check was, oh, he takes
Oh,
it
he
now.
took it.
Oh, he takes it.
But he's now having only 2 minutes 30 seconds. What do you think, Samay? Will Abhyuday win this?
I don't think Abhyuday will win this. I think
I
Gautami will
think
win
he'll
this.
do it. He'll do it. No, Gautami may draw, no, because 2 pawn तो वो मार देगा 2 मिनट में.
हाँ, draw due to insufficient material.
हाँ. Guys, अगर किसी का टाइम खत्म हो जाता है और ओपोनेंट के पास एक भी पीस नहीं है तो ड्रॉ हो जाता है वो गेम.
Oh, going for it.
A5.
Win this situation.
कुछ भी हो
अगर
सकता
ड्रॉ होता है समय, then we'll have to have 5 minute का और एक गेम.
है. Yeah.
Okay, A5, rook E8. Come on. See, E2 is the weak point. वो pawn is the weak point. Queen already attack कर रही है और एक पीस को लेके आओ उसके
People
ऊपर
thought I
rook.
was gonna win.
Bro, is Abhyuday gonna promote?
What have you done?
But he has now 2 minutes 10 seconds.
I can see Suanisha entering the Google Meet, preparing for her match up next.
Queen F, King F3.
We have a very, very interesting match up next, guys.
हाँ, Suhani versus Munawar.
Yep. Okay, King has been played and now only.
But
1 minute
यार
56.
समय तुम next match पे कहाँ जा रहे हो? इधर बहुत. It's getting very exciting.
It is. Now
Will
it's all on these two pawns.
1 minute 47 seconds बचे and guys to catch the king. Mostly for all of the beginners is like वो डॉन का डायलॉग है ना, किंग को पकड़ना मुश्किल ही नहीं, नामुमकिन है.
King e4.
Yeah, let's go.
I think right now Gautami just putting the king everywhere and seeing कहाँ जाता है, कहाँ जा रहा है,
हाँ,
यहाँ भी नहीं जा
हाँ,
रहा है, यहाँ भी नहीं जा रहा है.
हाँ.
See, these two pawns are key, Sagar bhai. If Abhi can take this, then even if he loses on time, it's a draw.
हाँ, वो मार ही नहीं रहा और वो सोच रहे क्या करूं and he might lose on time.
1 minute.
Okay, they are
25 seconds.
tired for sure.
I have no idea अभी करना क्या है.
Come on, you need to play fast, Abhyuday, otherwise you will lose this.
1 minute 15 seconds, bro.
You will lose it if she has even 1 pawn left. If Gautami has only 1 pawn left, still she will win it.
check है.
Check है. अरे हाँ, अरे.
Now she's saying where will the king go? King can't go here. King can't. There's only actually one. There are only 2 squares the king can go, right?
Yeah, king can go to f3 back and
Okay. What?
she puts it in that X-ray of the queen, b2 से. पर
She wants to get a discovery check. So then,
हाँ,
Don't talk to me.
1 minute left with Abhyuday.
generally such position में ऐसे ग्रैंड मास्टर को पजल देते हैं. black to play mate in 3 because it's very difficult to find mate in 3 इतने open board
Oh,
में.
there's a mate in 3 here.
Yes, but okay, he took e takes f3.
Bro, I can't believe my eyes.
So away from my king. Now what am I
45 seconds.
Do you think
See, I can't
he'll be able to do it?
I hope Abhyuday at least takes the pawns and draw हो जाएगा. At least he should not
Guys,
lose.
quick poll. I have put, can he do it? Poll, let's see what the audience is feeling. Quick poll I have done. Jaldi answer कर दो because only 30 seconds are left.
No, it's my vote goes to no.
No, 75% people say no.
No, come on, Abhyuday, 30 seconds. Pawn मार दो सिर्फ.
pawn मार दो, draw हो जाएगा.
I think गौतमी ने सब स्क्वायर टच किए हैं अभी किंग ई से. Come on. Yeah, king e7.
Okay, now the one pawn dies.
No, he won't take it. He won't take it. Come on, Abhyuday, you have the 20 seconds.
seconds.
Oh, he takes it. Now only one pawn.
One pawn left.
ये
What
pawn.
have you just done?
Gautam is like, what have you done? How can you take my pawn?
Will it be a draw? Will it be a draw? Dude, if this pawn dies, it's a draw.
16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11. Abhyuday, play.
Oh my god,
Ah,
it doesn't
check.
go for the pawn.
He's not taking the pawn. That chota sa a5 pawn will give white the win. Check, king upar. This is Abish Matthews style victory.
6 seconds. 6 seconds. 6
क्या
seconds. 6 seconds.
Oh, can it be a 3-4 repetition? Check, check, check.
Back.
Oh, draw with 3-4 repetition.
You have 5 seconds left.
Draw.
Draw by 3-4 repetition.
Good fall.
I can't believe it. Draw by 3-4 repetition.
Oh my God, Gautami, if you had moved your king away somewhere else ना तो आप जीत जाते थे क्योंकि इसका टाइम खत्म हो जाता था.
अच्छा उसका जीतने का चांस था.
She would have won because आपका टाइम खत्म हो गया. अभी हुआ क्या कि अगर आप 3 बार
हाँ.
रिपीट करते हो एक ही पोजीशन चेस में तो
हाँ.
ड्रॉ हो जाती है.
3-4
अरे
repetition.
यार.
You had won this, Gautami ji.
Oh no.
ये तो
इतना
अच्छा हुआ,
गंदा
फिर
खेल
अच्छा
के
हुआ.
भी I could have won.
But you know what? Like you guys have drawn, so as per the rules, you have to play one rematch of 5 minutes only.
Okay.
And
Okay.
you played very well, Gautami. You played very fast. Same strategy. All the best to you.
She played
Abhyuday, you
well.
have to
Color
play
swap
faster.
or same colors?
No, flip the colors. No.
Okay.
Yeah, flip the
Okay.
okay.
Abhyuday,
Sorry.
you have to play faster because you are playing much better. But आपके
हाँ.
पास टाइम ही नहीं बचा.
लास्ट में समझ ही नहीं आ रहा था कि मैं क्या करूं क्योंकि सिर्फ किंग बचा है, मेरा हाथ ही था, मुझे समझ नहीं आया कि क्या करूं.
मजा आ
आपको
गया.
देखो.
इतना मजा आया ना ये गेम देखने में, क्या बताएं.
आपको सब कुछ मारना है उनका. Like in the
हाँ.
end, if you can't checkmate her,
मार तो दिया ही
हाँ.
था.
तो
पर
एक
सबको मार
pawn,
दिया था ना, सिर्फ
एक
king
बचा
बचा
था ना, एक
हाँ.
a5 पे pawn, तो वो pawn की वजह से आप हार सकते थे.
ओह अच्छा, तो पहले मान देना चाहिए था उसको.
हाँ.
हाँ हाँ.
For all the best, all the best in this game.
Okay.
Let's go.
ठीक
I'm
है.
starting the match.
Let's start
हंसो
the
मत
match.
हम लोगों पे थोड़ा कम
नहीं नहीं
मजाक
मजा आ रहा है,
नहीं,
मजा आ
बहुत
रहा है.
मजा.
बहुत fun.
चलो स्टार्ट हो गया.
Start